Hey guys, Kenyatta Robinson here, trying out this YouTube stories feature for the first time, so bear with me. I know I haven't uploaded a new video in a while, but I do have one that I'm going to edit hopefully this weekend. Just wanted to give a quick shout out to you guys. Again, I appreciate all the support on the channel, the Backyard Smoke Master Barbecue channel, and just wanted to give a pro tip. So today I'm smoking some baby back ribs on my Lone Star grill. And one thing I keep saying I'm going to mention it in my videos, but I never remember to do it, is start early. No matter how much I plan in advance and I think, oh, this cook is, these ribs are going to take, 4 or 5, 6 hours, everything always takes a little bit longer, which is okay because one of the rules of barbecue is it's not ready until it's really ready, until the food is done. But whenever you think that it's too early to start, think again because stuff comes up. And like I said, things always take a little bit longer than what I initially anticipate. So that's my pro tip for the day. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll see you soon.